I'm starting a series of 10 piano lessons that will take you from beginner to playing pieces you never believed you could play. The lessons will be short and snappy, teaching you everything you need to begin learning the piano. Now, I know you're busy. Learning the piano has always been a dream of yours, but you just haven't had the time. So these lessons follow 3 simple rules. Rule 1. Every lesson only takes 5 minutes of your time. I won't be sitting here and lecturing you for hours and hours. Nope, you just don't have the time for that. So you'll be getting 5-minute lessons and clear, concise practice methods. Rule 2. Every lesson is set around the golden rule that reads, practice little, practice often. There will be no need to dedicate hours of your time each day or even hours of your time each week. Every lesson is designed so that you only need 5 minutes per day in order to improve. And improve, you will. Final rule, rule 3. Every lesson will be free. No sneaky payments required. Nope, these lessons will require no cost other than your time. And I already know that is truly valuable. So it's time to take the leap. You've always wanted to learn the piano, but you never knew where to begin. You've always thought you didn't have the time for it, but now you've got lessons at the perfect length. You've always wondered, what if I just started playing earlier? Well, good news. Other than starting earlier, the best time to start is now. So join me for the next 10 weeks where you'll begin to learn the piano from the start. Like all good piano teachers who turn up on time, I'll be teaching you the piano at the same time each and every week. Videos will be released at 10 AM UK time every Saturday morning. And all you need to begin with is a piano. Speaking of which, I'll put a few recommendations into the description so you've got a basis of where to start looking. So make sure you're subscribed. It really is free. And make sure you've hit that notification bell so YouTube will remind you to watch your next piano lesson and you'll be ready to begin on Saturday, the 7th of January, 2023. I'll see you there.